How to make Capricorn man fall in love with Capricorn woman. When two Capricorns come together, the connection has the potential to be steady, deep, and lasting. But winning the heart of a Capricorn man requires more than just shared zodiac signs. He values loyalty, ambition, and emotional control. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're a Capricorn woman seeking to create a powerful bond, here are 10 essential love tips to guide you. 1. Show your ambition. Capricorn men admire women who have goals. Let him see your career focus, discipline, and long-term plans. 2. Be patient with his pace. He doesn't rush into love. Respect his need for time and let the relationship develop naturally. 3. Respect his independence. Give him space to work, reflect, and recharge. He'll value your understanding and maturity. 4. Be emotionally stable. Avoid drama or emotional outbursts. Capricorn men are drawn to women who stay calm and composed. 5. Express love through actions, rather than flashy declarations. Show your care through small, consistent gestures, help, loyalty, and support. 6. Align morals and values. He looks for a partner with integrity and discipline. Be consistent and reliable in your words and actions. 7. Build together. Talk about long-term plans and shared goals. He wants a partner, not just a romance. 8. Reveal yourself slowly. Open up emotionally over time. Let him earn your trust, and do the same with his. 9. Support his ambitions. Encourage his dreams and respect his work ethic. He'll see you as someone who truly understands him. 10. Grow side by side. Continue improving yourself. He'll appreciate a partner who is constantly evolving, just like him. Understanding how to make a Capricorn man fall in love with a Capricorn woman means embracing shared values and nurturing mutual respect. With patience, ambition, and emotional strength, this zodiac match can turn into a deeply committed love story. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.